Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name, where we simplify web development and coding for you. Today we're talking about something every aspiring coder asks at some point. How do you learn coding effectively? Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, I've got actionable tips for you. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Coding is like learning a language. You need to understand the syntax and grammar before you can write poetry. Focus on foundational languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Platforms like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, or even YouTube tutorials, like this one, are great places to start. For example, HTML teaches you structure, CSS adds style, and JavaScript brings interactivity. These are the building blocks of web development. Next up, practice consistently. It's not enough to just watch tutorials. Coding is a hands-on skill. Work on small projects like creating a personal portfolio website or a simple to-do app. The more you code, the more you'll understand. Set a goal for yourself, like coding 30 minutes a day. Trust me, consistency beats intensity. Learning to code is all about solving problems. When you're stuck, break the problem into smaller parts. For instance, if you're building a login form, think, how do I create the form? How do I validate inputs? And how do I display errors? Breaking problems down makes them less overwhelming and helps you think like a programmer. Don't learn in isolation. Use online resources and join coding communities. Websites like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub are goldmines for solutions and inspiration. Plus, being part of a community keeps you motivated. And don't forget to ask questions. It's how we all grow. The best way to learn is by doing. Build real-world projects that solve problems or showcase your skills. A portfolio of projects is also the best way to impress potential employers or clients. Even small projects like a weather app or a blog can help you learn and stand out. Lastly, be patient. Coding can be frustrating at times, but every coder, including me, has faced bugs and errors. The key is persistence. Take breaks, revisit problems, and keep learning. Remember, every mistake is a step forward. And that's it. My top tips for learning coding effectively. Start small, practice daily, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web development tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the hardest part about learning to code for you? I'd love to help. See you in the next video. Happy coding!